Okie dokie. We are back at it again with another microphone test. I've almost given up, at least with this helmet, on getting recordable audio. It's just such a noisy place for a microphone to be, and I have not had any luck getting legible recordings. So no great plans for today's ride. Put the microphone under the seat, so if the helmet's microphone screws up yet again, at least I've still got some usable riding footage. The microphone under the seat is relatively reliable because you don't get the same level of wind noise that you do in the helmet. I still have my mirrors set for riding on the freeway last weekend. I don't mind taking this bike on the freeway. It's a bit sketchy in 110 zone because you'll never do 110 on it. But the reality is, close to the city, when they've got those wind barriers up, it's not unmanageable. It struggles to sit on 100 k's, this bike. Down this part of the freeway, but it doesn't really have the power. I know a lot of people would just flat refuse to ride this bike. And maybe that is just a question of my own inexperience, but I'm not afraid of riding this bike on the freeway, even though it is just a 125 and it can't technically do 110 k's an hour. What riding on the freeway does to this bike, or rather this rider, is it really does teach me to be hyper aware of what's coming up behind me. You know, I can't just power my way out of any situation like I'm full throttle here at the moment. The good thing about where I live is there are 5 entrances and exits to this portion of the freeway. So I can get my freeway experience and still only be a few kilometres from home. Having said that, I have done the ride all the way down into Melbourne suburbs, what, 3 times now? That's a big day for this little bike. And I'm really happy with the way that it handles freeway. But I will admit that freeway driving does not a good video make. So I will in fact take the next exit. We'll take some back roads. I've learned that there's just not a lot of point in trying to narrate while the bike's doing freeway speeds, because the wind noise in the helmet is just so overbearing, it's not funny.